Hello friends, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and today I want to give you some tips, especially 5 tips on how do you get the most out of your washer machine and prevent a water leak. Number 1 is related to installation. When you're connecting the hot and cold water supply line, make sure that you don't tighten that too much, because when you're tightening, you may end up breaking the water lines. If you don't feel comfortable doing it, let a professional do that installation for you. Number 2 will be making sure the drain hose is installed properly. You want to make sure that it's in the drain, because if it's outside, it will dump that water out. And also over time, make sure that that's not clogged, that the water is flowing properly. Number 3, and it's very simple, make sure you don't use a lot of detergent. The detergents, they come with a label, the bottles, with instructions. Follow those instructions. Putting a lot of detergent won't get your clothing clean, but if you use a lot, you're gonna create a lot of foam, and that foam will create a water leak, and your clothing won't get clean. It will feel sticky. It's better to do one load, clean it up, and then do the same load one more time. Number 4 is don't overload your washer machine. Overloading your washer machine won't make the clothing clean better or save you money, because you're overloading the machine. It's working overtime to spend that, and then you're gonna end up damaging the washer machine, and you're gonna have a water leak. And number 5 is make sure that the door is locked. You want to make sure that you check the doors, the seal, that way you don't have a water leak. But those are my 5 tips for you. And if you have any question, please leave a comment on this video. Thank you. Bye.